What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy here with the CLT Life, and today I'm out in the Prescott subdivision in Waxhaw, North Carolina. I happened to be driving along and I ran into Esther here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, guys.
So Esther has a business. It's called, what is it?
Assembly Master.
Assembly Masters, and what they're doing right now is, you can see her coworker back there in the background is putting lights on the bush. They're basically putting up Christmas lights right now.
That is correct. We provide Christmas lights to our neighborhoods around here. We provide our own lights. They are commercial grade lights. We do roof lines, shrubs, businesses, residentials. We also do pressure washing throughout the years and a lot of other services. You can visit us at www.assemblymasternc.com, and our number is 704-579-2505.
That was great. So besides Christmas lights, you said some of the other things that you do. Mm-hmm. Do you decorate for any other holidays at all, or is it mostly just Christmas?
Mostly our customers are doing Christmas and Halloween's. We do parties. We do Edison lights for parties.
Okay.
As well. There's anything you want, we can actually provide the service, honestly. If you visit our website, we have a lot of other services, such as light fixture changing and put up furnitures and stuff.
So anything that if you want to put it together,
yes, we can do it.
You can come and assemble it for us, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So, and then one other question too. So we're looking at this beautiful house right now. I think they're just doing the bushes. If someone wanted to decorate, let's say, the entire house and the roof line, like what range do people pay for this type of service?
It all depends. A house like this can run anywhere between $1,200 to $1,500. We provide all the lights, and we'll take them down at the end of the season. It's one-time service with all the clips, connectors, and yeah.
Cool. So you can basically, if you've ever seen Christmas Vacation, which is one of my favorite Christmas movies,
yes.
and you see Chevy Chase getting up there on the roof, you don't have to do that stuff.
That's right, because we got you.
Yeah, they'll take care of it for you. So
that is right. Visit us on our website. Check our Facebook page.
Yeah, what's your Facebook and Instagram?
It's Assembly Master NC.
Assembly Master NC.
Yes, and we just have a TikTok account we just created.
Okay.
So it's fun. Take a look at it. It's Assembly Master NC. And
all right.
Check us out. We'd love to service you guys.
Cool. I appreciate it. Thanks for a few minutes.
My pleasure.
And
I can give
be
you
sure.
a business card.
Okay, yeah, I'll take that. Be sure, and I'll do the same for you. And be sure to check them out. Assembly Master NC, is that the website as well?
AssemblyMasterNC.com.
AssemblyMasterNC.com. They're Assembly Master on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Are you on YouTube or anywhere else like that?
Not yet on YouTube.
Not on YouTube yet, but you'll be on YouTube.
Yes,
but just not on your page.
Exactly.
Yeah, you'll be on this one. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you soon.